This is a sketch of a beautiful cafe in a charming Sydney suburb called Souci. Hi, I'm Suleman from Artocrafter. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sketching this lovely street corner cafe using loose lines, light washes and strong perspective. I started off with the light pencil sketch to get the roof and the perspective lines in place. But since I didn't film that part, you will see me jumping right in with pen on top of the pencil lines. This scene is a perfect example of urban sketching, capturing the people, the light, and the atmosphere of a sunny Sydney day. You would have noticed that I was focusing on the roof and perspective lines. They naturally draw the viewer's eye towards the cafe's structure. The original reference had only one palm tree, but I decided to add another one to make the composition feel more complete. For the sky, I'm using French Ultramarine. I feel like this color really captures that bright, sunny sky perfectly. For the terracotta tiles, I'm using burnt umber. Since the sky reflects on the glass, I have added a soft blue tint to the windows to bring harmony to the scene. The walls of the cafe are white, so I'm leaving the paper untouched to preserve that glow. This suburb was introduced by a friend, and it instantly became one of my favorite sketching spots. There's another cafe nearby, right by the beach. Maybe I'll sketch that one next. The main focus of this composition is the perspective and balance. The awning with the cafe's name, Cafe Bellady, really gives character to the building. Because it's a bright day, shadows play a key role here. I'm using Payne's Grey for those deep shadows, especially under the awning and on the right side of the building. I added the shadows in carefully to really enhance the shape and dimension of the building. Shadows are really important in urban sketching because they add depth and highlight the sunny atmosphere, making the whole scene feel more alive. The inside of the cafe is quite dark, so I have added heavier washes there for contrast. Finally, a touch of burnt umber mixed with grey tones for the street and pavement, brings everything together. By adding people sitting outside the cafe, the sketch instantly feels more alive and inviting. It really captures the everyday vibrancy of an urban scene. Once everything is dry, I'm writing the cafe's name, Cafe Bella D, with a white gel pen and keeping the perspective in mind. A few white highlights with the gel pen bring out the sunlight and reflections. And that completes our painting. I hope you enjoyed this sketch as much as I did creating it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your art-loving friends. See you next Saturday with another watercolor story. Thanks for watching and happy sketching.